You're garbage! That's... Now...
Anger management is overrated when you can beat people. Look at the cool guy! Friggin' tweet! Troublemakers will be found and punished.
You know, despite all the jerks in this place,
Everyone at Bulworth is so mean! Maybe if I gave people those, they would be my friends.
Teach you to think bad thoughts.
Another snot-nosed... I can't believe she asked me! I'm gonna lay your butt out like a newborn
why do
baby.
they give us so much homework?
Damon's the truth. You're trash and you know it. I can't believe anyone likes condiments. I mean, they're like snot.
You're my friend, right?
Suck on me!
You're really gonna get it now?
I'll be sad.
One lump or two? Mom says I have a real... Call that a hit? You're pathetic. Why does this always happen to me?
This really hurts.
Oh, here he is, Mr. Big. Oh, can't you just get lost?
Or help! We're trying to get out of here!
Come on, Muscles. We've not got long.
What are you talking about?
The jocks are coming to kill us. Oh, thanks to you and your sordid little pictures.
You wanted them. You're the sicko.
Oh, a healthy interest in sexual matters is natural during puberty, bud. That's why I was having those dreams. Anyway, this is not important right now. I am about to die! We all are!
When are they coming? What about your famous defense system?
Oh, it's broken, okay?
Can't you fix it?
I need a bit of time. We have no time. We're dead! Dead! I love you, my friends!
Look, you fix it, I'll hold up the jocks. Now, where's that gun thing?
Get out of here, you sickos!
coming in, you
We're coming to
dogs!
get
We're ready
you!
for you, nerds!
Doomed! These feelings are natural, and I'm about to die for them!
Just go fix the defense system and I'll take care of the goons.
Come on, you wimps!
We're coming to get
Get out of
you!
here, sickos!
To the barricades!
You had to be cheating!
Jimmy, get to the spud cannon! It's our last chance!
I don't understand why more people don't play RPGs.
Hold them back with a barrage of potatoes, Jimmy!
Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
It's chin-chick time, pump. I'm gaining on you, and it's only a matter of time now.
You're getting the Hopkins treatment. I'm gonna get out of my way.
Oh, it hurts so good.
And don't you forget. See you.
You know what? Leave my buddy alone. Let's see how tough you feel. How'd you like this, freak? How about this one?
You're going down.
You couldn't hit a truck, you prick. I'm gonna make you hurt. Oh, my nuts.
That's the best you can do? You're going to the hospital.
I
Come
gotta
on,
train
dude.
harder.
Chill out.
You're going down.
I'll show you I'm not a wimp.
You're garbage.
Was. Hey, I ain't playing
That's
around.
probably the dumbest thing you've ever said.
Give me your cash.
Stop
and
air
keep your
pollution.
teeth, Hopkins.
Shut your mouth.
What the hell is wrong with you? You ready for the pain?
Don't overact.
I'm too young. Hey, look out!
You're weak.
Try harder, little girl. See if you can escape. You should be scared of me.
Move, jackass.
I will make you hurt all over, maggot.
What's the matter? Can't take it? That's what you get.
Where did that come from?
Hi.
Hey,
I know, it's funny. I'm the girl in the dirty pictures, haha.
what are you talking about?
Don't pretend you don't know. Everybody knows.
Knows what?
There's posters of me all over town.
Oh, those.
Now everyone thinks I'm a slut. Great, my parents will be so proud. I'll probably get expelled.
Look, it could be worse.
How? How exactly could it be worse? I mean, sure, I've been a bitch at times, been nasty, but I don't deserve this. My life is over. I mean, I've always wanted to be a model, but not like this. Everybody's laughing at me. I can't bear it.
Everybody's always laughing at me.
Well, maybe you're not as insecure as I am, okay? I just wanted to be popular. Now everybody hates me. Well, I guess I deserve it.
I tell you what, you wait here. I'll get rid of those posters for you, or at least cover them up.
Would you? I'd do it myself, but I can't deal with it. I'm really losing it here.
Just hang in there.
I will not tolerate indiscipline.
I'm so glad I saw you today.
Mom's such a jerk. Whose parents make them do homework? Lame. Did you not see me watching that, asswipe?
I think I've got some mayonnaise on my pants.
Good thing my wife didn't see me looking at that.
Who did this? Some art hater, obviously.
Taking a field trip to the School of Life, huh?
You're a maniac! You should be locked up! Don't get up next time! Let's go! Come on! What happened? Just back off! You're going down! You liking that, ain't you?
I know where he can stick that birthday cake.
You know that man with the illegal right, kid?
You just go on and express yourself, sweetheart.
They are so lazy.
Who ever heard of California wine before 1978 anyway?
Stop! Now,
Good day. My life is completely
my waist size.
You're dumber than a sack of hammers. Oh, I should beat you for writing crap like that. Every time they block me, my blood boils. High blood pressure leads to heart disease. I probably got that now. I really need something to dull the pain. My medication is really helping my... 3 lousy copies each. 2 months of work, and they just say nothing. I guarantee it's just highly inappropriate.
I missed my son's birthday.
My life is like a living hell. Who are you trying to impress?
I'm a city girl at heart.
Why would Mr. Take care.
Stupid school.
Oh, you are the sweetest boy ever!
Come on, give me a kiss.
You just made out with the most popular girl at Bulworth.
All sorted.
Oh my god, I think I broke a nail or something. Major
understand why the
emergency.
world can't live up to my standards. What is absinthe, anyway?